how to reset your Instagram feed, let's begin with the video. To start off, open the Instagram app on your device. Then tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Next, click on the hamburger icon at the top right to open the menu. After that, scroll down to What You Say section. Now click on Content Preferences. Furthermore, select Interested and click on Select at the top right. Then hit Remove. This will clear the selected interest. Moreover, do the same for the Not Interested section. After that, go back and choose a specific word and phrases. Likewise, click on the word and hit the bin icon to remove it. Then hit Done at the top right corner to save the changes. Finally, this action will reset your Instagram feed, and that's all. I hope this video helped.